Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your published test. Now, once you publish your test, you get a link over here saying testmoz.com/the number. You're simply gonna select the text by left holding it and dragging it, copying the link, and you can send it via your WhatsApp or email or Google Hangouts or Google Classroom, whatever tool that you're using. Now I will show you how the link is going to look to my students. So I'm just going to open another tab over here and I'm going to go over to this test as a student. Here, since we asked the students to write the name, I'm going to write the name. I'm going to start the test. This is what the test looks like to students. I'm going to quickly fill it out. I've filled out the test and I'm going to do submit. This is the page that appears to the students after they have clicked the submit icon. And over here you can see 5 possible points pending. Here you can see awaiting score. So this is a question where you will have to grade them. I will show you what this means in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please watch the next one to understand how you can view the results of your students.